Today we're gonna play another video, and today's video we're gonna play that's what we're saying. We're gonna play some games, but the only game we're gonna play is this Airplane Crash Simulator. Hello, why? Okay. Oh my goodness. Out of that stupid little copyrighted music. Oh, she couldn't go like that. I do lose the job. Look up, play. Airplanes, This is why it's called Simulator. It's the best one. I saw the black head. Haha, that was me. Nobody noticed me. Now I'm on this airplane. Trooper, since we are ready for takeoff. We will try to win to Trooper. I don't know, it disappeared. I saw it again. What are these people talking about? Out. What is these people talking about, dude? I don't know. They're probably talking to their own friends. We ran out of gas. Oh, jeez. Oh, gee, that hurt. Oh. The animation is so fresh and creamy. And whoa, uh-oh. Oh, we landed it. Oh, we exploded. Black jet, you mean the cargo airplane? It hit an airplane. Blue airplane crashed. Oh, I just crashed it. Hey, why did it take off without me? I was about to slow. I guess I'm the unlucky troller. Trooper, we ready for takeoff to the safety of the airline. The Canada airline is ready to prepare. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh. Owie. I think I broke two of my leg. What just happened? I bet it's all crap. Who the? Uh-oh. Boom! And boom. And whoa, whoa, whoa. Chill, man. Whoa. Oh, man. Why would you do that, dude? What in the... I'm stuck here. Oh. Whoa. I saw the jet. That big blue airplane. I'm gonna die. Oh, Jesus. The airplane must be completely demolished. All the pieces to the airline died, and so do we. This is a nice day seeing everyone's airplane. Oh no, we ran out of gas. Oh Jesus. Boom. Yeah. Well, you have to be kidding me right now. Can you just respawn me back here so I can get revenge? Ha ha, that's what you get. Bomber. Look at this old airplane. The bomber. Oh, this is a special surprise from winning. Oh. Oh, brownies. I just killed Dad. Literally, I killed Dad. I just killed Dad. I cannot take a break. All these explosions. 2 bombs. Who needs 2 bombs? Okay, I just... So it's going all around in my explosion. Oh, it doesn't kill the airplane. Welcome to China Airline. It's today's China Airline video, and we're going to China Airline 2.2%. Airline fly. Enjoy your flight. I just definitely permanently killed him. Now we on another boat. And today's boat video, we're gonna fly the airplane to 12.12 Street. We're gonna have to kiss this airplane before we go. Oh, that was an epic crash. Oh, I spawned in here till the crash happened. Oh my goodness. This was an epic crash. Subscribe for more action videos like this. Oh, I can hear explosions. Oh, just trying to airline this wheel was fresh. Ah! Boom! Oh! Okay, now. Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I landed it. Hey, what you doing, old man? Let's spawn an airplane to each other. Ooh, that was a big old shake. Oh, here it goes. 2 airplanes on each other. Please do not explode. Please do explode, by the way. But please explode. Okay, fine. I guess I have to do this. And the airplane is about to explode. Thank you for doing this, and I'm gonna do this to you. He did it for me. Now he is dead, and boom, my airplane is all crashing down. Oh, I hate this. Cool down. Cool down. Seriously. Ah! Whoa. Oh my god, my airplane keeps exploding. Oh, I landed here, and my airplane just simply crashes at the beach. Oh, what's happening here? My airplane! I miss it so much! But jetting. Airplane crash happened in the mid sky. Oh god. This plane instantly go before I try to slow. I'm the slow master, and today we're gonna land to the city and kill almost everybody. Wait, they got a store? Wait, I wanna actually go to the city. I survived. No way. Is this from Deb Studios? Are you from Deb from Studios? Please tell me. I will give you $1 billion. Just kidding. Ask the other one. I don't care. Oh, luckily the airplane did not survive. Oh my god, is he okay? I did not mean to do that. It's like an explosion. I did not expect it. It crashed. Oh god, the alarm. Oh goodness. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm super dead. I'm so dead. I fell down the water. No way, dude. He crashed into me. USA, what you got us for today? You got us the best airline you can let everyone see. Hello? USA, are you gonna speak? I know you're part of my country, but no, not trolling. I promise. I instantly trolled him, but he survived. Oh! Uh-oh. If you take one close fly, you dead. One close fly and you dead. You completely super dead. Two dead. Two dead. These airplanes never come along. My airplane is burning on fire. Why it crashed? Ow! Wait. The airplane serves 9 injuries. Ain't no way. USA! USA! Wait! USA! USA! Settings. Let's go to settings. Settings. Fast airplanes, $4.99. Melty airplanes. Okay, what's on this normal airplane? I really like this one. And what a lovely day in this metal dinosaur. I don't know what to call this city, but okay. Now enough with the trolling. Let's go. Okay, that's 5. Starfly. It goes fast as 250 miles per hour, but the fastest one that we can find is cargo ship. Oh, this is a bad idea. Promise, it won't explode. Uh-oh, it's turning. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's 2 enough with the trolling. Let's make the best airplane crashes of the year 2023. Oh! This little tree just let me crash my airplane. 24666. The sand destroyed my airplane in milliseconds. I don't know if I make that, but yeah. Oh! He's surviving? Oh! His cockpit chair exploded. Whoa! I swear to God, I just found a store right there. The store was right there. Here goes the building city. I can't wait for this. Have to take a long walk. And probably the store was right over here where I crashed my airplane. The store was like, yeah. Oh, the building. No, that's the future building. No, that's a real building. I thought that was a store. But look at that. I thought that was a store. This is a real building. Is it gonna enjoy its day? Come on. Come on. At least I gotta break this building up. Wait, what the? Oh. It's coming down! Oh. It crashed. Airborne. Oh, the building is starting to fall apart. Guys, we had to collapse the building. Oh, it exploded. Oh yes, it's gonna go all the way to destroy the building. Oh my goodness, we destroyed the building. Wait, I didn't know you can actually destroy the building. Oh my God, I just destroyed the building. No way. That actually did that. Now it's like a square. Like, oh my goodness, dude. We destroyed the whole entire building. Now it's like this. No. You can fit one biggest airplane. Like, dude, I destroyed that. That's probably for a test destroying. Oh, those are walls. You don't know how to get out. Enjoy my death. Oh my God, about to be 6 o'clock. I have to tell. No, she can't get out. Today is like, I don't know which day. Oh! Oh my goodness. My airplane did survive that. Here we go, the explosion. Oh, the explosion. Oh my goodness, dude. No way, dude. It's just destroyed my airplane, dude. Very hard. Oh my God. It's 6 o'clock now. That failed. Oh, I died. Here, take this. Airplane 29888. Oh, you destroyed everything. Oh, that was a quick explosion. You died. Okay. Clash before I end this video. And this is the most beautiful. Uh-oh, we see another thing. Oh, that airplane crash feel good. Now it's still trolling time. Hey, Dip Kid, won't you come with me? Hey, you. Okay, never mind. Dip Kid is just going away. Hey, here goes the trolling. Oh, yes, baby. Let's go. Destroy him. Dip Kid. Dip Kid. Yeah, I blow Jet's wings. And he quits. Okay, he's dead. He's dead. I should have had respect. Anyways, guys, this might be the end of the video. And see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.